Hi friends, welcome to another Tasty Tuesday video. This one's gonna be fun because we are doing different meal ideas with leftovers, because sometimes we get leftovers and we're like, I don't want the same old thing as I had the night before or 2 nights before. I want something different, because that's why a lot of people don't eat their leftovers, because they get bored of the same thing. So we're thinking of some fun ideas of what we could do with some of our leftovers to hopefully inspire you guys so you guys can think of something fun for your leftovers. So I'm not exactly sure what she's doing, but I think it has to do with crock pot chicken, I think. But sounds delicious. And I'm doing stuff with leftover spaghetti. So without further ado, let's get right to the cooking. All right, so I'm gonna start with some leftover garlic bread, and I'm just going to put some of the spaghetti sauce mixed with the meat on top of it, just like this. And then I'm going to add my favorite Parmesan cheese, which is from Costco. It is the Kirkland brand, and it's a shredded cheese, shredded Parmesan cheese. I was going to sprinkle it on top of that and then put the other piece of garlic bread on top of it, just like a sandwich. And of course, this has already been reheated, so don't do this cold because it's not going to taste as good, but it's so delicious. And now I'm going to take the reheated spaghetti noodles that don't have anything on it, and I'm gonna put some extra virgin olive oil on it, just drizzle it, and then I'm gonna put this new favorite, my absolute new favorite seasoning. I get it from Costco as well, and I'm just going to sprinkle some of it on there, and then I will mix it all up. And then I'm just going to put it on the plate right next to my sandwich that we just made. And then bon appetit. And then I will add some more Parmesan shredded cheese, just because this stuff is delicious. Then it'll be bon appetit. It's so delicious, you guys. This makes a wonderful leftover meal. Just look at this. This is so delicious, you guys. I love it so much. So yummy. Alright friends, I hope you enjoyed this video. I know the lighting was really weird and the video was probably not the best of videos that I've created, but I did it on a whim basically, and the lighting was dark because it was in the evening. So please excuse that, and I hope you still enjoyed the video, and yeah, give me a thumbs up and don't forget to like and subscribe because I need more friends. Alright guys, after this video, head over to Rachel's channel, Live Laugh Love Mommy, and watch her video, see what she's cooking up and what she's doing with her leftovers. And we do Tasty Tuesday videos almost every Tuesday, so if you're interested in something like that, definitely subscribe and watch out for those videos. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel and also Rachel's channel, Live Laugh Love Mommy, and we'll see you guys again next time. Thanks for watching guys. Bye now.